The Forkanife, a Kickstarter project, was developed to be a practical alternative to plastic utensils. Forkanife Sport has an all-new, sharper knife, making it easier to cut tough meals. The aluminum clip is also capable of holding the utensils much tighter for tougher conditions. The Forkanife is so compact, you can take it with you everywhere, because the times when you'll be most happy you have a set are the meals that you did not plan for. To use the Forkanife, simply slide the individual utensils from the end clip and fold open to lock position. When you're finished, clean and wipe your fork and knife, then fold the utensils closed and slide along the end clip rails back into position. The Forkanife Sport has a sharper cutting edge, ideal for camping and outdoor sports. $1 from each Forkanife sale goes to support Plastic Ocean's charity in their fight to clean up our planet. Forkanife. Get one now. The time will come when you really need a set. Forkanife. Because plastic doesn't cut it.